Hello students, today we are going to discuss the 13th topic from our EVS book. The name of this topic is weather. So do you know what is weather? Yes, weather is the condition of the air, or we can say weather is the climate or condition of a place at a certain time. Maybe how it is, like the weather is windy, dry, then it is rainy, sunny. So weather means the condition of the air. The air is moving around us. We have already learned about air. So the air which is moving around us in our surrounding, it is not the same always. Sometimes the air is hot, sometimes it is cool, sometimes the air is moving with great speed. We call it a windy day. Sometimes there is no air, it is very dry. So the condition of a place, the condition of the air which is moving around at any place, it is called as weather. Okay, so in our country we experience three main seasons: the summer season, the rainy season and the winter season, right? Here you can see seasons, name of the seasons: summer, winter and rainy. So is the weather or the condition of the air same in all these seasons? No, all these seasons have different weathers, right? In summer season we experience lot of heat. The days are very hot. In winter season the air in the surrounding is very much cool, right? And in the rainy season we experience rains. The weather is also very cold and it keeps on raining. So in this lesson we are going to discuss about all the types of weather conditions, and we are going to see how changes takes place in human life when the weather or when the seasons change. So when we speak about the weather, here you can see four types of weather are seen. First is we experience hot day, then we experience cold days, also we experience rainy days or windy days, right? So all these types of weathers, whether it is sunny day, that is called as hot day, whether it is cold day or rainy day or it is a windy day, about all these weathers we are going to discuss in this topic. So first we will start with a hot day. So when do we experience hot days? Do you know which season we experience hot days? Yes, during the summer season when the heat of the sun is tremendous, it is too much. In those days we experience a hot day. So what are the changes we do during the hot days? So first I will tell you that in summer season the days are very hot because the sun is shining very brightly during this season, and because of the sun's heat, the air in our surrounding, it becomes warm, it becomes hot, and that is why we experience lot of heat, right? And in order to keep away from this heat, the human beings, all the human beings, they wear cotton clothes during this season, because it is said that the cotton allows the heat to move out of our body, and because of that the body temperature remains, or we can say the body temperature remains lower, okay, and it will help us to feel relaxed even during such hot season. So cotton clothes are the first things that we make changes in our clothing. Then we make use of fans, we make use of air conditioners, then we make use of coolers, right? We make use of all these electric equipments or electronic machines to make the air around us cooler, right? Also during this season we have various delicious fruits like watermelon, mango. It is the season, the summer season is the season of all these fruits. So we enjoy eating all these watermelons, then mangoes, right? We also like to eat ice creams during this season. Also elder ones, they like to drink cold drinks, right? But eating of ice creams or drinking of cold drinks should be very much limited, because these beverages, these ice creams, cold drinks, they are not good for our health. So during this season we have to increase our water that we drink. We have to drink plenty of water, because during summer season we sweat a lot. खूप घाम येतो आपल्याला. So a lot of water is moving out from our body, but our body requires great quantity of water. So during summer season we have to increase the quantity of water that we drink. So also, instead of ice creams and cold drinks, what we should drink? We should drink lemon sharbat, right? So we can opt for fresh fruit juices. Instead of these cold drinks and ice creams, we should have fresh fruit juices. Then lemonades we can have, sharbat we can have. So ice cream and cold drinks we should have only in a limited quantity, but a lot of water should be consumed by us. We should drink a lot of water. So also, as I told you, the cold drinks and the ice creams, they are not good for our health. They will harm our health, and so we should have them only in a very limited quantity. Okay, so students, next we are going to discuss about a cold day. So what is a cold day? The weather or the climatic condition is very cool. And when do we experience such cool weather? Yes, in winter season we experience very cool weather. So what happens? Because of the coolness in the atmosphere, our body starts shivering, right? What happens? Because of the coldness in the weather, in the surrounding, the air is very cool, and so our body feels that coolness. And in order to avoid this coldness, what do the human beings do? Human beings wear clothes which are made up of wool, right? Like sweaters, then jackets, we make use of scarves, mufflers, then we wear the hand gloves, we wear socks. So what we do, we pack our bodies with all the woolen clothes. And what happens? This wool, it makes our body warm. It helps our body to make the body temperature becomes warm. So all the woolen clothes, they help our body to be warm. And so in the winter season, to avoid the coldness which is in the atmosphere, we wear woolen clothes. Also during this winter season, we like to drink tea, then coffee, then we drink hot milk, because all these things, they make our body warm. They increase the temperature of our body, and so we like to, or we prefer to drink all the hot drinks like hot milk, tea and coffee. Also there are some people who make use of heaters in their houses, right? What happens when you put on the heaters? The temperature in the room will become warm and the coldness of the weather will be gone. So also there are some people who lit small fires. Yes, शेकोटी करतो आपण, राईट? शेकोटी करतो आणि आपली बॉडी टेम्परेचर काय करतो आपण? वी इन्क्रीज इट. वी go to that place where the fire is lit and we try to make ourselves warm. So in order to keep away from the coldness of the winter season, human beings, they make changes in their lifestyle, like wearing of clothes. From the regular dresses, they move on to sweaters, they wear jackets, right? Also there are changes that are made in the food, like a lot of hot things are taken, like hot milk, tea, coffee. Also we prefer, or we like to have hot milk during this season. So human beings, they make changes in their lifestyle as the climate or as the weather changes. Human beings make changes in their lifestyle as well. Okay, so also what is done? Also during the winter season, human beings, what do? They just, during the morning sunshine, they just move and try to sit in the sunshine, so that the heat of the sun makes their body warmer, right? So in the winter season we do all these things. Okay, now next move on to the third type of weather, that is a rainy day. So when do we experience rain? we experience rain in the rainy season, right? So in the rainy season it rains a lot in many places. Not all the places in the country experience same type of rains. In some places the rain is very heavy, whereas in some other places the rain is very less, or we can say the rain is scanty. Scanty means in less amount. Okay, and during the rainy season, do we just move on as we are moving in the summer season and the winter season? No. In the rainy season, when we go out from the house or when you move to the school, you carry umbrellas with you, right? Some students, they carry umbrella, some students, they take raincoats along with them, so that these umbrellas, the raincoats, or some people also like to use gumboots. So all these materials, they protect us from the rains, right? So the umbrellas, the raincoats, the gumboots, they protect us from the rains. So during the rainy season, we make these changes in our lifestyle. Like whenever we move out, we carry these materials which are waterproof. Okay, the next is the windy day. Yes, it is the last type of weather for our today's discussion, that is a windy day. So what is a windy day? Yes, we know that moving air is called wind, and when this air keeps on moving the entire day and the speed of the air increases, then we call it a windy day. So during such type of weather, it is very difficult for human beings to take a walk or move out, because the wind is moving with great speed and it becomes a little difficult for the human beings to move. Even it is difficult to walk also. If you are riding your vehicle, a two-wheeler or a bike, it becomes difficult during the windy weather. And so when very strong winds blow, also there is a possibility that the trees may fall. If the speed of the winds is very strong, then what happens? The trees may also fall during such weather conditions. So there are various types of weathers that we experience in our everyday life. Sometimes hot weather, sometimes cold, it is sometimes rainy, sometimes it is windy. So all these weathers are experienced by human beings during the particular seasons. And along with these three seasons, that is the summer season, winter season and rainy season, we have two more seasons, that is autumn season and we have spring season. So what happens during the autumn season? During the autumn season, the trees shed their leaves. झाडाची पाने गळून जातात. Autumn season मध्ये झाडाची पाने गळून जातात. And during the spring season, the temperature is not very hot and it is not very cold also. It is just a medium. And during the spring season, new leaves come on the trees. So which are the two other seasons? It is autumn season and spring season. Okay, so students, according to the change in the weather or according to the change in the climate of our place, what we do? We make changes in our lifestyle. That is, we make changes in our clothes. We also make changes in the food that we eat. Also, we make changes in the way of our life. So the weather is having a great impact on human life, because according to the weather, the human keeps on changing, right? The things that we do in our daily life, they keep on changing as per the season. So students, this was the lesson about weather.